guys. So this is the last video in my ambient lighting saga on the Mazda. So as you guys know from my previous videos, when I did the rear, I wasn't happy with the fact that the footwells were only being lit up on the inner sides. I wanted a more even dispersion of light. And in order to do that, I had to fit LED strips on the other side. Now, like I said, I wasn't going to do a video on that. I think you guys get the gist of how to wire this up and how to run it through underneath your seats and stuff. So I'm going to show you what I did, where my wiring's lying, and what it looks like as well. So let's take a look. So I just want to show you guys how I have the wires routed underneath the seat. You can see here is my wire. And what I did is I cable tied it to the seats wire, and I cable tied it to the bottom because the top cable over here actually moves a lot with the seat, and the one at the bottom actually doesn't. So it's safe to cable tie your wire that's leading to the other side of the seat to that cable. Now on this side of the seat there's actually a plastic housing, and what I did is I unclipped this. I ran the wire under there, and then it runs to the seat rail on this side over there. So it's a nice, neat installation, and I don't think that anyone can think that it looks like an aftermarket installation. So I think it looks very good. So this is what it looks like now. I just got to get my leg out of the way so you guys can see. And you can see I've actually got LEDs on both sides of the seat rails now, and I've also done the same on the passenger side. So you know, this is the effect we're getting now. And if you look into the front, you can actually see we have some ambient lighting there as well. So another improvement I actually made was I stuck some of this stuff. Now you can buy coils of this at probably Walmart and, you know, automotive places, but this is just one-sided tape. I took a thick one, and what I've done is I've actually placed it behind my LEDs here. So if we turn on the lights now, you can see that if you come a little bit higher, you're actually not going to see those LEDs shining, but you can still see them shining here. So we have a nice effect on this chrome, and it kind of makes it look like you have LED lighting over here as well, which is very nice. And I can still flip up my 12-volt socket cover here. It's not a problem, and this stuff is nice and soft, so even when you do touch it, you know, you're not getting a hard feel. I just like the fact that it's now totally concealed, and even if you're sitting in the back, because rear passengers could actually see those LED lights sitting in the back, and I'll give you a view of what it looks like now. Right, so this is from the back, and as you can see, there is the center console lighting, and this is actually what it looked like before at eye level view. Now if you're sitting at eye level view, this is really what you're going to be looking at, so you're not really going to see the LEDs per se, and I prefer that as opposed to rear passengers having that glare in their face, especially at night. So sitting on the left side of the car, this is what rear passengers are going to see on the left. And if we take a look at the right hand side, that is what they're going to see on that side over there. And I think the rear of the car is now nicely lit up. You know, overall you're getting a really nice picture of what it looks like to be a rear passenger. That's it for the ambient light videos, and I hope you guys have enjoyed them. If you did, please like this video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And be sure to watch the other two videos, which I'm going to link at the end of this video, that show you how to actually do the wiring and also how to do the rear ones. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this, Thank you for watching. Cheers.